We are here at Yamazaki Ramen and Grocery. Tama kayo ng dinig nyo. Yamazaki, dito nagbebenta sila ng ramen. This is a restaurant, as you can see. And at the same time, Japanese grocery. So while I am waiting for my order, I have my free and unlimited milk tea. And behind me are set of mangas for reading, of course, for your reading purposes, of course. So if you want to experience Japan without leaving the country, then I guess this is the best place to be, or one of the best places to be. So again, this is Yamazaki. I'm just waiting for my takoyaki and my ramen. Yep. So takoyaki. So guys, andito na yung in-order kong ramen. Finally. And I also have my takoyaki. finally have my takoyaki and I also have my ramen. Oh, ito na yung trivia ko. So, alam niyo ba kung saan nakuha yung pangalan kong ramen? Ramen. I don't know if that's true, but gawa-gawa ko lang. Pero baka, di ba? So guys, as you can see, this is it. Mainit-init pa, umuusok, kaka-microwave lang. And this is, guys, Yamazaki offers authentic Japanese food. I'm not bragging. It's legit. Let's eat, guys! Okay guys, andito pa rin tayo sa Yamazaki and now I'm gonna taste or test their no, it's not ramen, it's takoyaki. Alam niyo ba na ang takoyaki ay may ibig sabihin niyan? Ta is tamarind, ko is collagen, ya is Yamazaki of course because this is one of their specialty, and ki is kiwi. Yep. So yeah, itatry na natin yung takoyaki nila. Medyo maliit lang compared sa mga nabibili sa Mercato and stuff. But I double dare you. Mas masarap to. Promise. Kasi it's authentic. Ando na naman yung signature ko, yung nalalaglag yung food ko. Yeah. Yung sauce. Yung texture yung squid. And kung naumay kayo, they have this carrot, but it's not carrot. It looks like carrot, but it's not. And then, pakifocus. This is their ramen. This is their specialty, I guess, because it's named after the store, or before the store. Yamazaki ramen. Yamazaki ramen. So guys, ramen is not like your usual noodle with a soup. Ramen is ramen. So, try muna natin yung sabaw. Nice. I love the thick sauce. At maybe this is why they're specialty. Look at the pork. I'm sorry. Look at the pork. It's big. It's tender. And look at their noodles. Work to perfection. There's another trivia. Sa atin sa mga Pinoy, kapag maingay tayong kumain, kabastusan yan, di ba? But in Japanese, kapag maingay kang kumain, that's a compliment sa mga nagluto nun. Okay? So, hindi na ako magpipideo. I'm going to eat na kasi lumalamig na yung ramen ko. And ramen is the best when it's hot. Almost all foods naman. Especially ice cream. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I'm done and ang nagastos ko ay 396. It's kinda mahal, but guys, saan ba kayo nakakita ng mumurahing Japanese food? Siguro meron, but come on, it's Makati. And mura na to. Hello. And guys, yung 396 is ideally good for 2 people na, or 2 packs. It's just, yun, heads up guys, I'm standing 6'4". So katumbas ko talaga 2 tao. So, yeah. This is actually good for 2. It's worth it. And the best of all, pwede mong iuwi yung chopstick. Hindi, ano ko lang yun, turo ko lang yun. But, yeah. At pagkatapos nito, what's the good thing? Pwede ka pa mag-grocery. Ipapakita mo lang to. Pwede ka na mag-CR sa kanilang libre. I guess, I'm not making any sense. But, yeah, that's it. So, that is my food review, guys, dito sa Yamazaki. So, natikman natin agad yung Yamazaki Ramen and Yamazaki Takoyaki. So again, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.